Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So today we shall have a tour of our homestead, which I may also call a farm, because there are some few animals and also we do some little farming. So please come along as I take you around the farm. Welcome to this channel. So I'm taking you around this farm today. This is our hatchery. These are chicken eggs, and there are some hens already incubating their eggs. As I said, this is our what? Hatchery. This is a cocoa tree, cocoa, but these are not yet ripe. They're still quite young. We have some cocoa trees here. And then the free range chicken that you already saw in the other video. And then there is a pig. It's only one pig here. Hi piggy. How are you? How are you? You okay? Yep. Alright. So this is the pigsty. Then we have some berries. These are edible berries. I don't know the names. They're edible. And then this is, I don't know the name in English, but it's an edible, I think it's a vegetable. Then we have a mango tree with no mangoes, still young. And then orange trees, they're not oranges as yet. Then we have a jackfruit tree. Not yet ripe. Then aloe vera plants. Oranges, orange trees, mangoes, bananas, and then a cassava tree. I don't know if you've ever seen a big cassava tree like this one. It has overgrown. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen such a big cassava tree. Do not forget to like the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for, honestly? Moving on, we shall now go to the tomato garden. I'll show you how homegrown tomatoes look like. So thank you for watching this channel, and I hope you will subscribe to get more of such content. So we water these tomatoes once a day, preferably in the evening when the sun is not so hot. And that is lemongrass. It's a scented form of grass that we use in our tea. And I do not know the name of this herb in English, but we also use it in tea. If you know the name, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And this one is a fruit. They're usually yellow when ripe and very delicious. I do not know the name in English.